Are you ready? First question. Water has the maximum density at. Correct answer is 4 degrees Celsius. Second question. The boiling and freezing points of water are exactly degrees apart on the Fahrenheit scale. Correct answer is 180 degrees Fahrenheit. Third question. Is the heat per unit mass required to change a substance from solid to liquid at the same temperature and pressure? Correct answer is latent heat of fission. Fourth question. Among chemical properties, Mendeleev concentrated on the compounds formed by the elements with. Correct answer is hydrogen and oxygen. Fifth question. Which of the following gases is used to prevent food material from getting oxidized? Correct answer is nitrogen. Sixth question. The molecular formula of propane is. Correct answer is C3H8. Seventh question. Except helium, all noble gases have how many electrons in the outermost shell? Correct answer is 8 electrons. Eighth question. How many atoms are present in one molecule of ozone? Correct answer is 3 atoms. Ninth question. The volume of a given amount of water, between 0 degrees Celsius to 4 degrees Celsius. Correct answer is decrease. 10th question. Which of the following substances has the highest density? Correct answer is gold. Hope you like it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Blackboard for daily science bits.